Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Exciting time. I finally get Android Auto into my 2013 Chevy Equinox. If you ask why this is a big deal, well, the common consensus is it's very difficult to do it in this car. Most people have to spend a whole lot of money and have to put the screen down below where the CD player is, which is horrible, obviously, because for navigation purpose you want to be on top. And yes, I do have it on top. As you can see, I removed the original screen. Of course, this is the original screen. The original radio is also out. This is the original radio. Because of that, none of those keys work anymore, because those control the screen and the radio. Of course, all those one work. We want them to work, don't we? So we can change, we can do that. We can lock the door, unlock the door, child lock. So all those one work, and those one work. I don't think I need to show you. Even the light work. You see that the light is on for charging purpose. And the funny thing is, even OnStar work. So OnStar work. Okay, you see my ugly tool out there, but that's okay. I don't know why we need OnStar anymore, but it works. So I end it. Anyhow, OnStar will be shut down on this car for a few months, so who cares about that? But it does work. Now, what else do I have? Well, of course, I can go. We have radio, and I have steering wheel control. You probably realize I did not touch anything on the screen, and it's changing station. Okay, I can change my volume also. You see that? So all those one work, and many other feature within the head unit. Of course, what head unit you use will determine what you have. I don't have satellite radio because I don't listen to them. Anyway, I do have backup camera too. Check. So I move it to reverse. Of course, my garage door is partially open right now. All you can see is my garage door, but yep, I have backup camera, so that one remain. You may ask, what do you use? Well, I use a ADS MRR unit, okay, also the HRN RRGM2 harness, okay. I will put a link in the description to Amazon if you want to buy them. I also get a rather generic head unit. This is the box, and this is the unit out here. I spent a total of less than $180. I know you couldn't believe me, but that was the case. I found good deal this time on eBay. It might be a little bit more expensive if you buy directly. These ones, the ADS MRR costs something like $100 to $150, depends on the day. And this one costs about $50. By the way, Crutchfield said this one cannot be used on this car, and it is out of stock on their website. That's not true. They ask you to use HRR instead. Now HRR can be used, but it's first more expensive, and if you use a generic head unit like mine, you actually have to cut one of the harness up and strip the wire and do the connection. It's actually more difficult to do it that way. If you use a brand name unit though, it's indeed easier. If you buy another cable, you can just do a straight plug-in. So you decide, okay, what head unit you want to buy. I more or less, because people say you couldn't do it, so I tried to keep the price as low as possible, and that's why I get what I got. Again, less than $180. This is what I have, except that I know this part is a little bit ugly. I'm not sure if you can see it. I will have to fix it. Other than that, the charm also works. So let me shut down the car and leave the key inside. Okay, you see the key is inside, and I am going to open up Did you hear that? So that one worked. So it's pretty much stopped, except that I now have Android Auto and also Apple CarPlay. I forgot to show you, but it's inside. I don't use Apple products anyway, so there's no way I can show you in detail. So I will make another video later on. I took a lot of pictures, but very few video. I will show you a slideshow how I did it. So hopefully you can repeat what I have done and enjoy your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And to be modern, of course, I suggest you spend a little bit more money to buy a better unit, because now you know it is doable. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck. Bye-bye.